This is Ebonygeek45, and I'm excited to bring to you the new book that me and Tippy wrote specifically for YouTube creators. As we was doing our YouTube video reviews, we saw the problems that YouTube creators was having with setting up their videos in Video Manager, and that seemed to be a really big problem. So we released a book that was based on a lot of the research that Tippy did, but a lot of the input that I had too. It's called How to Use YouTube to Find Your Videos Targeted Audience. The book is here. This is the Kindle ebook version. If we look inside to get a little bit of a preview, it'll give you this screen, and it'll give you a little bit of a preview of the book. There's a lot of great stuff in this book. And I'm clicking over to the table of contents. Okay. As you can see, there's clickable links to the table of contents to go to each chapter. In these chapters, we're going over things that YouTube creators miss when they're setting up their videos in Video Manager. And that's where they seem to have the biggest problems. And we go through it right here. Quick, easy, we give examples. The strategies that we take you through in this ebook is telling you pretty much everything in Video Manager that you need to do in order to optimize your video. One thing I want to stress is the strategies that we found out in this ebook took a lot of time and effort in order to figure it out. We're laying it out for you in this ebook, so you don't have to go through all that time and effort. It's right there for you to use. So this is the Kindle version. You'll find it on Amazon.com. Now this book is an ebook that we're looking at now through Kindle. I also had a paperback version. And the paperback version is a little bit more expensive because it is in the color. And the paperback version is a little bit more expensive because of the simple fact that the printer needs to be paid. So if you're more of a book type person and you want to go for the paperback, go right ahead and order it. There's also a black and white version that's less. I believe it's something like $14.99. So if you're a person who likes a book in your hand, we also have that available. We have the ebook available. We also have, if you're not a Kindle person, we have it on Google Play as well. I'm an Android person, so this will be something that I would look into myself. So, just wanted to let you know the new ebook is out there. If you're struggling with what to do in Video Manager, this is the book that will really help you out. It's by a YouTube creator, which is me, and a YouTube creator, which is Tippy. So we know what we're talking about. We know the struggles that YouTube creators go through. We wrote this book with YouTube creators in mind and how to help them find the information that they need in order to get their YouTube videos optimized to the max in Video Manager and YouTube. We tried to make it available in any way possible, and pretty soon it will be able to be ordered at any of the bookstores that you may have around you. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Also check us out on Twitter and Facebook, and please network with us on YouTube and subscribe to our channels. Me, Ebonygeek45, and Tippy at Tippy's Thoughts, Tippy's YouTube Tips. Go ahead and subscribe to us for more updates. Have a great rest of your day, and bye-bye.